at choosechangeca.org.
Who has the largest selection of golf merchandise in Northern California? It's the Higgin-Oaks Golf Super Shop. See why Higgin-Oaks is the #1 choice for golfers everywhere for everything golf. Fulton Avenue, Cap City Freeway, or online at higginoaks.com.
The December to Remember sales event at Lexus of Sacramento means exceptional savings on many new 23 and even 24 models. Lexus qualified customers on approved credit receive rates as low as 2.49% APR for up to 48 months, equal to $21.91 per $1,000 finance. And with no down payment. Shop during the December to Remember sales event and experience amazing. 2600 Fulton Avenue. Any dealer for full details. Exclude hybrids. At least 5 qualifying vehicles available. Offer ends December 31st. Lexus of Sacramento.com.
Hi everybody, I'm
now he
Jessica
decides
Gibbs,
to
and I've
go.
been around a
Oh,
long
boy.
time. Every
This is
one
so
of us, as
stupid.
we age, realizes that things are changing in our bodies, in the world around us. Lots of times I don't like what's happening, and I thought, what can I do about it? Well, one thing we can do is pray, right? The other thing we can do is take better care of ourselves. I do that by taking balance of nature,
courtesy
because
on
I'm
him.
not
I
really
like
good
that.
at nutrition. I'm too busy, I'm on the run, I don't eat enough
boy.
vegetables, and I certainly don't eat enough
Nice
fruit.
jersey.
And when I take balance of nature, I can feel
Nice.
good that I've done something for
Oh,
myself
boy.
that I can actually control.
I hate when people
So
do
take
that. They
control.
just
Get
they don't
balance
know
of
where
nature.
they want to go,
Celebrate
so they
Christmas
start
with us. Go
jaywalking
to
right in front of you. It's like,
balanceofnature.com
dude,
and sign up as
make
a
up
new
your damn
preferred
mind.
customer to get 35% off your first
A lot of
order,
cars.
plus a free fiber and spice supplement.
Yes.
Go to balanceofnature.com or call 1-800-246-8751 and get this exclusive holiday offer by using discount code KLG.
Solar pencils out better than it ever has these
Oh,
days, and the
boy,
folks
this
call
is
Infinite
nuts.
Home Services. One way to get the pencil out great is your last chance to get the 30% tax credit in 2023, so make sure you take advantage of that. Finance specials as low as 4.9% or no interest till 2025, and these people are straightforward and ethical. It's a math problem. Does solar make sense for you or not? They'll help you figure that out. Go to infiniteenergyco.com. infiniteenergyco.com.
License number 1037869.
This hour is sponsored by Matthews Mattress. Portions of the following program will be recorded.
Hey, we missed you at the game last week. Everything alright? Yeah.
Okay, turn.
Wait. You know I'm here for you.
Okay, that's not bad.
Acting is one thing. Talking about suicide in real life is another. And now it's your turn to do the same for our veterans. Learn how to do ethical living at BeThereForVeterans.com.
Tour of Merced County.
Alright, that's going to wrap things up for today. Tonight on Hannity, 9 Eastern on the Fox News Channel, set your DVR. James Comer, House Oversight Committee. Jason Smith, Congressman, head of the Ways and Means Committee. Senator Ron Johnson, John Solomon, Judge Pirro, Charlie Hurt, Morgan Ortegas, and Jason Chaffetz, all happening at 9 Eastern on Hannity at Fox. Set your DVR at 9 Eastern. We'll see you tonight. Back here on Monday. Have a great weekend. And thank you for making this show possible. Hey folks, our friends at Hillsdale College wish you and yours a very happy and blessed Christmas and a healthy and prosperous New Year. Now, since Hillsdale's founding in 1844, it has taught their students by precept and by example teachings and practices of the Christian faith. Now, Hillsdale College is free to pursue learning, character, faith, and freedom, all in one, by the way, and they do it because of supporters like you. So, this Christmas season, our friends at Hillsdale, they want to thank you, our dear listeners, for your kindness, your generosity towards Hillsdale. They have prepared a special video featuring their sacred music choir singing "Oh, Little Town of Bethlehem" in their beautiful Christ Chapel right in the heart of their campus. Just go to their website, sean4hillsdale.com. That's SEANFOR Hillsdale.com, and you can see and hear the choir and view many other resources. And by the way, they'll also help you celebrate the season. I promise it will be uplifting and inspiring. That's seanforhillsdale.com.
The Jamagram's famous naturally nude pajamas are back. A very luxurious Christmas gift for her, one that'll make you a holiday hero. This year, Pajamagram has upped the ante. How about a free, barely there, naturally nude nightie? How about $75 of savings? How about gift packaging options and a quick delivery? That's an effortless 2-in-1 deluxe gift that you both are guaranteed to love. Soft and silky with a barely there feel. Curve caressing with a fit that's better than lingerie. That's selling for a reason. Pajamagram's naturally nude pajamas and nightie are designed to make her feel amazing and drive you wild. Now is the time to win Christmas. Now is the time to go get your special someone naturally nude from Pajamagram. But hurry, this gift sells out every year. Shop now while it lasts. Head to pajamagram.com for naturally nude pajamas and save $75 on a free naturally nude nightie.
If it's on your mind,
It's just frustrating.
it's on Talk 650.
It's Macy's Monday sale now, with great deals of the day on gifts we love, like 60 to 65% off warm and stylish coats for everyone, 35 to 70% off fine jewelry she'll adore, and 75% off holiday decor for a cozy, welcoming home. Best of all, everyone gets $10 Macy's money for every $50 spent. Learn more at Macy's.com/Macy's Money. Savings off sale and clearance prices, exclusions apply.
Jim Gaffigan here with some more straight talk. Now you can get a Walmart Plus
And I'm all
membership.
right
Plus
here at
not
the
pay
block
for it
over.
because it's included with Straight Talk wireless plan. You get free delivery with Walmart Plus, plus a Paramount Plus subscription included. Plus you pay less for gas. That's how out of pocket.
Only Straight Talk gives you unlimited 5G data and Walmart Plus included on select plans for free.
Straight Talk wireless available at Walmart.
Requires service on Gold or Platinum Unlimited. One offer per eligible account. Paramount Plus Essential Plan only. Separate registration required. Additional terms apply.
Armstrong and Getty, weekdays 6 till 10 at Sacramento's best talk all day. And iHeart radio station. Talk 650 KSE, Rancho Cordova, Sacramento. This is CBS News on the Hour, presented by Indeed.com.
I'm Stacey Lynn. President Biden is in Las Vegas and making remarks close to the UNLV campus, where 3 faculty members were killed in the latest school shooting.
This is not normal, and we can never let it become normal.
During the rampage, fear-filled students and faculty called for help.
No, I don't hear any more shots. The last shot I heard was maybe like a minute or 2 ago.
Comes 4 lanes
In
now,
Michigan,
so
another school shooter even
yes, I
promptly
went
addressed
to
his victim's
those,
families before hearing his fate.
All I
not
want
too
is
good.
for the people I hurt to just have a final sense of culpability that justice has someone to serve.
Before handing down a sentence of life without the possibility of parole, Judge Kwame Rowe said he was particularly concerned with what he called Crumbley's obsession with violence.
Said PD. Surprising.
choosing who was going to die.
John Hewitt for CBS News, Detroit.
Actor Ryan O'Neal has died at age 82. CBS's Frank Fitipani with a look at his life.
He first gained fame in the 1960s, starring in the primetime TV soap opera Peyton Place.
Dr. Rossi? Yes, I'm Rodney Herring.
But it was the 1970 tearjerker love story that made Ryan O'Neal a movie star. The film earned him an Oscar nomination, and he followed it up with some well-regarded comedies.
His son posted the news on Instagram saying his dad died peacefully with his loving team by his side. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton has filed a petition to block a judge's ruling allowing a woman who's 20 weeks pregnant to get an abortion after her baby was diagnosed with a fatal condition. Meanwhile, a pregnant woman in Kentucky has also filed a lawsuit demanding the right to an abortion.
The lawsuit, which seeks class action status, challenges Kentucky's near total ban on abortions. Amber Duke is with the American Civil Liberties Union.
The case details the severe harm that Jane Doe, who was 8 weeks pregnant, is enduring because
That's not good.